Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Harbor Breeze fan remote. If it's not working, what you can do. So the first thing, check the battery, ensure you have a fresh and working battery mode control. This is the first thing you have to do. Then you have to turn off the power, switch off the fan's power supply at the breaker to ensure complete shutdown. Prepare remote, remove the back cover of the remote and have it ready. And now we want to turn off the fan. After ensuring the power is off, turn the fan back on using the wall switch. Then what you want to do is that you want to reset procedure. Locate the reset or pairing button on the remote. So with the paperclip, and you want to press and hold this button. It really depends what kind of remote you have, because there are multiple remotes for this, what kind of type. So you want to locate for the pairing button or just for the reset button. And you want to press and hold that button. While holding the reset button, the remote will go through a pairing cycle with the fan. This process establishes a communication between the remote and the fan. And then once paired, test the remote to ensure it controls the fan properly. And that's it. So first, turn it off with the circuit breaker completely, cut it out of the power. Then prepare your pairing button. It's gonna hold on reset button. And then when you're gonna press it on, just press the pairing button or the reset button, and it should start pair again and fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. I just want to make the quick one for you. Goodbye.